CF Moto 450 MT. New release na to, guys. So many ang this is our bestseller because all-terrain ni siyang adventure, guys. So as you can see, KYB front and rear, tubeless, same like sa BMW GS. So nindot kayo, 17 liters, power ni 44 horsepower, tapos colored 5-inch TFT. Ano siya, guys, no? So ato ni siyang it's all wrapped up, guys. Kay we have to deliver this to Lapu-Lapu City. Atong buyer is foreigner, cash. So without wrappers, guys. So muni hang itsura, maning other nga colorway. O gatong i-deliver, guys, is muna siya nga colorway. Wala lang siya windshield, naradis likod. So this is the motorcycle's appearance. So ato ni siyang i-deliver karon to Lapu-Lapu City to our client. Pwede na to i-deliver, guys. So if you're planning to buy motorcycle here at Motorcycle City, pwede na to i-deliver, no? So muna siya ang ato ang 450 MT nakarap. Ato pa dyan yung ibalot, mas ibalot pa nato ni, guys, no, kay i-deliver man. So make sure nga 100 kaya siya giampingan na to pag-deliver para masatisfy ato ang mga customer. So only here at Motorcycle City. Then napod tayo mga available nga units. Visit us here. Kaya napod tayo Kawasaki, mga big bikes, Kimco, daghan kayo ang ADV, PCX 2024 and 2025. Natay AK 550 premium. Natay daghang si CF Moto only here at Motorcycle City, Mandaue, Tipulo. Alright. So thank you so much and visit us today. Available atong financing, gamay requirements, fast approval.